Hi, welcome to the video tutorial on how to grow your own radish microgreens from home using our Seriously Green grow kits. Inside you'll find that it comes with everything you need. This is the grow medium we use here at the farm. This is your seed pack, and the whole container is biodegradable, so throw it in the recycling once you're done with it. Next thing you're going to want to do is spread your seeds. I'm going to spread it evenly all over the media, soil. If it isn't even, spread it out. So the next thing you're going to want to do is water your seeds with about half a cup of water, making sure to spread the water evenly. Now place the lid on your grow kit and place this in a dark place for about 4 days. So after 4 days, this is what your grow kit should look like. Nice and humid, and you'll start to see some greens poking through the top. This specifically is wheatgrass, so it'll be different depending on your grow kit. This is when you want to remove the lid, place in a sunny location, water with about a quarter of a cup of water every day for 7 to 11 days. You want to rotate this about once a day. So after your radish microgreens have been on the countertop in the sun for about 7 to 11 days, they should look something like this. This is actually our Triton radish. It's a bit pink. Similar to the red radish you'll get. A bit spicy, and now you can enjoy radish whenever you want.